Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at SIHH 2019 at Cartier, looking at the new Santos Chronograph. This is a really nice watch. It's about 43.5 millimeters wide, just over 51 millimeters long, 12.5 millimeters thick. That means it is larger than the new Santos watches that came out last year. It has the same quick release bracelet and toolless ability to adjust the bracelet. Each one comes with a metal bracelet as well as a new rubber strap with a deployant that has a push button on there. This is the first time there has been a push button deployant, I think, on any Cartier strap that I know of. This is an existing movement. This is the 1904 SIHH, which is the chronograph version of the 1904 MC, which is their in-house automatic. Cool little feature here on the chronograph is that you have what appears to be one pusher. There's actually two. So you have the start-stop pusher on the side of the case here, and then the reset is actually the crown. So a little bit of a novelty there on the chronograph. There is this nice brushed metal dial that looks good. The watch comes in all steel with black bezel. It comes two-tone, and there's a few other versions. Again, this is the Cartier Santos Chronograph, new for 2019. You can see the prices and everything else on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.